For this one, we're going to solve the inequality algebraically for x. So we know that our goals are to isolate x, meaning that we have to leave x on one side and we have to isolate it, leave it by itself. Let's get started. So in an inequality, it's almost like the equation. You want to make sure that you see the two parts. On this side, we have 10x plus 7. And on the other side, we have 13 plus 13x. So let's go ahead and focus on our x's first. So let's try to get this 10x to be just on one side. And the way to do so is to do the inverse operation. Right now, it's a positive 10x. So we can just simply do take away 10x. And whatever we do to one side, we must do it to the other side. And I'm going to do it right here as well. Next, we know that 10x take away 10x will simply give you 0, which means nothing. So that one will eliminate. Bring down your positive 7. I don't really need to put the positive sign there because I know it's positive. Bring down your inequality symbol, your 13. Now 13x take away 10x simply gives you 3x. Next, you're going to make sure that you have the x isolated. So let's get rid of our constants and put it on the other side. In order to switch it over to the other side, we have to eliminate it by doing the inverse operation, which is taking away 13. Take away 13 from both sides. Now 7 take away 13 simply gives you negative 6. Bring down your inequality symbol. 13 take away 13 gives you 0, which means it eliminates. Bring down your positive 3x. And lastly, we have to isolate the x. We know that right now this 3 is multiplying times the x. So we have to do the opposite, the inverse. Divide by 3 on both sides. Bring down the inequality symbol. Timesing by 3 and dividing by 3 are inverse, so they cancel out. The only thing left is your x. Bring it down. Now negative 6 divided by 3 simply gives you negative 2. And that is it. We also make sure that we can also start with the x. And so we can flip it around. Make sure that your inequality symbol is less than or equal to negative 2. So you would know that the little mouth, if you want to call it that way, is open to the negative 2, not to the x. So it can be this one or this one.